The speed of a car can be determined by the length of the skid marks after the car brakes by using the formula S equals the square root of 30 dFn, where d represents the length of the skid mark in feet, F is the drag factor of the surface, N is the braking efficiency as a percent, written as a decimal, and S represents the speed of the car in miles per hour. Part A, find the speed of a car if the skid length measures 60 feet, the drag factor is 0.50, and the braking efficiency is 100%. So we're using the formula S is the square root of 30 dFn. So in this problem, we want to find the speed of the car, S. So we're going to identify capital D, F, and N. So the skid length measures 60 feet. That is D. D is 60. The drag factor, F, is 0.50. And the braking efficiency is 100%, which we write in decimal form as 1.00. We substitute those values into the formula. We get S is the square root of 30 times capital D, which is 60, times F, which is 0.50, times N, which is 1.00. Evaluating the radical, S is 30 times 60 is 1800, times 0.50, so half of 1800 is 900, times 1 is 900. So S is the square root of 900. But 900 is a perfect square, so we get that S is 30. So we now know the speed of the car is 30 miles per hour. We now go to part B. Find the length of the skid marks of a car traveling 60 miles per hour on a surface with a drag factor of 0.30 and braking efficiency of 100%. So we use the same formula. S is the square root of 30 dFn. In this problem, we're given the speed, S, which is 60. We're given that the drag factor, which is F, is 0.30. And we're given that the braking efficiency, N, is 100%, which is 1.00. We're going to have to solve for capital D. So substituting in values for S, for F, and for N, we get 60 is square root of 30D times F, which is 0.30, times N, which is 1.00. So evaluating under the radical sign, we get 60 equals 30D times 0.30 times 1, so we get 60 is 9D. To solve this equation, we're going to square both sides of the equation. We get 60 times 60, 3600, equals the square root of 90 squared is 9D. And now dividing both sides of the equation by 9, we get that 400 equals D. So a car traveling 60 miles per hour will have skid marks 400 feet in length.